If you've been wondering how to open Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to launch Photopea in your browser, how to install it as a desktop-style app, and what to do once it opens so you can start a new project or open an existing file right away. Photopea is one of the best free browser-based editors because there's nothing to download, nothing to pay for, and you can access it on almost any device. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more easy software tutorials, and let's get straight into it. The fastest way to open Photopea is to use any web browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or Brave, whichever one you already have installed. Simply click into your browser, go to the address bar, and type photopea.com. Then press enter. In just a few seconds, the Photopea interface will load directly in your browser window. Since it runs online, you do not need to install any software to use it. That means you can open it on a laptop, desktop computer, or even a tablet with a supported browser. Once the site loads, you'll see the Photopea workspace and can begin editing immediately. This is the easiest and quickest method, especially if you just want to get started right away. Now, if you want Photopea to feel more like a regular app on your computer, there is another useful option. You can install Photopea as a desktop-style app using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. To do that, first open photopea.com in one of those browsers. Then look for the More menu inside Photopea at the top. Click it and choose Install Photopea. Your browser will show an install prompt and you just need to confirm it. After that, Photopea will be added to your desktop or applications folder, depending on your device. This gives you a separate window and quicker access, almost like a traditional app, which is great if you use Photopea often. It also makes it easier to launch from your desktop whenever you need it. Once Photopea is open, there are two common things you can do right away. If you want to start with a blank design, click New Project. That lets you choose your canvas size, resolution, and other settings before you begin. This is perfect for thumbnails, graphics, mockups, social media posts, or any custom design you want to create from scratch. If you already have a file you want to edit, click Open from Computer. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+O on Windows or Command+O on Mac. Photopea supports many file types, including PSD, AI, PDF, PNG, and JPG, so it's very flexible whether you're editing a Photoshop file or just opening an image. If your file is on your computer, simply select it and it will load into the editor. From there, you can make your changes and continue working as needed. So the simple takeaway is this. If you want Photopea fast, just go to photopea.com in your browser. If you want it to behave more like an installed app, use the install option in Chrome or Edge. And once it opens, either start a new project or open a file from your computer. That's really all there is to it. Photopea is designed to be simple, quick, and accessible, which makes it a great option for beginners and experienced creators alike. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.